Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hey, Tylac. Welcome, Tylac. Welcome. Anthony. Hey, Anthony. Welcome. Taj. Hey, Taj. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Let's see here. We'll start this evening with Bitcoin. All right. So, guys, Bitcoin, as you know, all right. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, trading currently at 68,000 and change. All right. So 68,000 and change. We have no resistance above. All right. Now, I've been hearing from some of you, hey, that Bitcoin will retrace. We don't have any signs of that yet. Okay. We don't have any signs of that. Right? So right here, if we look at the price action here on Bitcoin, we don't have any support and resistance on Bitcoin right now. Okay. So the goal is to just stay in right now. All right. We'll know if Bitcoin is ready to pull back if we get new support and resistance lines, and then we just have to wait to see if it breaks support. All right. So no selling in Bitcoin yet. Okay. All right. Forex. And I want to send out a message on Tylac, guys. I want to congratulate Tylac. Just great, great, amazing trading. Tylac, great job. We're gonna go right to Monster Scalper this evening. And I want to do this. All right, I want to take a look at the shorts. Okay. If you guys notice here, all right, if you guys notice here, and we've been talking about this, right? Right. Hopefully we would get some volatility. So we've got nice volatility in Forex, but I want to go through the shorts. All right. Great short opportunity. Okay, in Forex. So hopefully you guys are taking advantage of this short. Now, these shorts are not over, right? So they're still in place. So I want to spend some time going on this trade, going over these trades. Okay. So we'll start with the yen pairs. Yen pairs here. Okay. Now, dollar yen, guys, right? Sell short signal was here. Now, we shorted it here. And this was a perfect short, but guess what? We had some green candles came in, was forced to get out, and then say, hey, why don't we get back in right in this area in here, and look at this short here, amazing short going here. All right, so dollar yen, great short here. The target, all right. So I know sometimes when we get into these trades and we're profitable, sometimes, and especially when we've had you know, quite a bit of consolidation the last, you know, what, a month or so, right? Um, I know it's, get some profits. We might want to just get out. Try to hold on to these trades here. All right. Try to hold on to, and then try to follow the process. I know it's hard. All right. But when we get these runs like this, and you guys know we don't get these moves like this a lot, so we really need to take advantage of all of the trade. All right, the full trade. So sell short signal here. All right, target here. Here's your first target right here. That's dollar yen, and we'll go through all of them. All right, so target here. It's going right through your first target here. If it breaks this first target, or if it gets to this target here, all right, that might be an area to just take some profits off the table. Okay, so down here, but I would wait to see what happens with the price action, because guess what? We can blow through this support area here. This is not a lot of support here. All right, now here you might have better support here. All right, but even here you might have, but this isn't a lot of support. We can actually call this a low here. All right, so we could break through this support quickly and come all the way down here. So just pay attention, just really follow that price action. That's really good price action there. Okay, so dollar yen USD TRY, we didn't get in. All right, but amazing short here. All right, great short. I mean, that talk about a falling knife, right? Definitely a falling knife here. All right, so if anyone caught this, good job. All right, good job. SGD JPY, all right, moving down nicely. Sell short signal is here. All right. Again, here's your target. It's getting near to that target support here. Again, same thing. We've got second support all the way down here. All right. So again, let those trades run. All right. As far as possible. Okay. And follow your targets. New Zealand yen. All right. Same thing here. Right. Sell short signal is here. Right. Moving down nicely. Just amazing shorts. Second target. All right. So we have a target here. Now, this is fairly good support. So this is a concern here. If it gets down in that area here, pay attention to it. But it could break through. If it breaks through, depending on how the yen does, all right, we could get, I would say, another target down to this area here. All right. But follow how the whole group is doing. All right. All right, so NZD JPY, HKD JPY, look at that. All right, so good short here. Sell short signal was here. Same thing here, pullback, forced to get out, right? Got back in, and this one here is right at support. All right, this is good price action heading to support. This is why I want to spend some time on these. All right, really good price action heading. Excuse me, guys, heading to support right there. Okay. All right. So when you see price action like this, get into your support like this, right? No real pullback, no real retracement. All right. Let them run. All right. Real good price action. So get into your right at its first target here, breaks through next target all the way down here. All right. HKD JPY. Pound yen, all right, pound yen, right, slow to get started here, all right, but sell short signal here, holding. We would like to see pound yen get into the action, all right. So support here, and this is decent support here, all right. But you guys know pound yen, if it gets going, it can easily break through that support there, all right. Next target all the way here, but the goal is we need pound yen to come on down, all right. Get to this target here. Euro yen, a little bit of price action with euro yen. Same thing. Sell short signal is here. Target, first target, right here. All right, right here. Next target, if it blows through, all right, back down in the. Now, guys, we're talking about all the way down here. That's for about 700 pips, right? From up here to down here. If it breaks through 700 pips, and that's on the majority of these. So euro yen, good trade going. Not saying that it will happen, but it could. All right. We know no yen pairs are moving lower. This was the one we were concerned about, remember? So here, right, trading within a narrow consolidation. All right, we were concerned that this one would fail, right? Would fail, right? Just like previous. But guess what? Held, broke down, and now it's our target is here. So it's getting through that second target. Look at that, right? Look at that right there. Right. So next target all the way down here. Swiss yen, it might get caught up in this area in here. So right about in here, it might get caught up. All right. But if it gets past, even if it gets past this area here, look at that. There's nothing to support it, support price. All right. So Swiss yen looks really good. All right. CAD yen. CAD yen. Look at CAD yen, guys. So notice what's happening with this. Pay attention to the other pairs. Even if you're not trading right? All of the pairs, right? Which, right, you can't trade everything. Follow what the price action is doing on the other pairs. That will give you some comfort in your trade. Okay, so good price action. Here's sell short signal. All right, this one here, we didn't have to get out. No green candles. All right, some white candles in here, and it's sitting right at support right here. Look at that, right at support, right here. Okay, and that's not a lot of support, so it can certainly break through that and move lower. Right, it will be interesting to see what these yen pairs do overnight. All right, now this is not encouraging news for the equity markets. All right, so that's a signal for equities. Right, these the yen pairs will generally move first, and then the equity markets will move late. Well, and I've seen it where the equity markets will move and then the yen pairs will follow, but they usually follow each other. So we'll see what the equity markets do tomorrow. All right, but good short go in here. All right, needs to break through. Looks like it might. Okay, and then Aussie yen. We've got a new short here. Now this is not a great, right, not a great setup when we look at here, but we'll add Aussie yen this evening. So AUD JPY, and we do have we know what the other pairs are doing. So, and this is a clean sell short signal. All right. So those of you now, if you guys have missed, if you've missed it, right, the short, the yen short, you can always go to your, if you miss it in Monster Scalper on the 240, you can always go to your smaller time frame. But the best opportunities right now is on that 240, right? You can hold on and do well. Okay. So Aussie yen, here's your markup phase. There's your markdown. And you're breaking support. So we got a clear break of support. Now the range, we don't have a great range, but notice what happened to ZAR yen, right? We thought that it wouldn't go lower, and it certainly went lower. All right. All right. So Aussie yen. The only thing about the Aussie yen, if you guys notice here, the Aussie pairs are up. All right, Aussie pairs are up. The Kiwi pairs are up. So that could keep some pressure, right? Keep the Aussie yen might move in a lot lower, and then a lot of consolidation in here. All right, a lot of consolidation in here. So not as smooth. All right, but we'll call it Aussie yen short in Monster Scalper. Okay, Aussie yen short. Good. I mean, good signal here. Right, nice break of support. All right, perfect sell short signal right here. Nice red candle here. Target is here. So even if we can get it down to this area here, not a bad short. Now, guys, we never know what's going on with these markets. Okay, we just follow the price action. Right. So these shorts could break through. If they get to this target all the way down here, that would be good. But they can also break through these targets back here. These are just areas of support. All right. All right. While we're here, let's go through the dollar, right? Dollar shorts. All right. So dollar ZAR, right? We'd call the dollar ZAR on a break of, right, sell short signal here, right? Broke the trend line right here, right? Along this channel here. All right. So that still looks good. All right. We didn't do anything with USD TRY. That's going up. USD SGD. All right. Good short going here. Look at that. So the yen pairs and the dollar pairs, almost identical move, guys. All right. And again, these were shorting up in the markup phase. Okay. So, all right. So sell short signal here. All right, good short going here. All right, and no sign yet of stopping, guys, right now. All right. If you guys shorted these, I would just be careful with adding down in this area here. Okay, adding scaling, right? So just be careful of scaling. All right, USD SGD, great short going here, guys. Look at that, almost to its second target. Second target is down here. Here it is right here. If these get to their second target down here, pay attention. If you start getting white candles, right, and a few white candles, you might just want to close it. I wouldn't wait for a green candle. All right, you might give back a lot of your profits. All right, so definitely don't wait for a buy to cover signal like this signal right here. So it gets down in this area, you get a white candle, a couple of white candles, you might just want to close the trade, take profit. Okay, let's see here. USD SEK, sell short signal here, holding nicely. Right, next target here. This one just broke support here. Okay. We'll take a look at the dollar index also. USD PLN, we didn't do anything here. USD NOK, all right. Sell short signal is here. It's holding right at support, right? And it's got decent support here. So we just needed to sellers to come back down, all right, get to second target here, second support area there. All right, USD MXN, all right, good short going here, sell short signal here, going here. I don't think this is one we got in. All right, so if anyone got this, all right, good job. Try to hold on to these trades. There are times where we can, close the trades but not when they're moving like this. We want to hold on. I know it's hard to hold on to these trades. Okay. All right. So good short here. So if anyone got this, good job. All right. USD HUF. That's a new one here. All right. So sell short signal right here. All right. This one here. What did we do here? We had a trend line. We had a break of a trend line. We had a few that break of a trend line right here. Trend line. Yeah, I think we had like this right here. This one is breaking the trend line. A bit of a pullback. All right, but hold in there. The US 30, that reminds me, the US 30, we'll go over the US 30, had a nice gap up. Hopefully it's still holding. All right. Difficult trading on Friday, but got lucky with the gap up this evening. We'll go over that. USD HKD, all right. Broke support there. All right. Decent trade going. We just need those candles there to come on down. All right. So not as we've seen a few of the dollar pairs really moving, but not overall like the yen pairs. All right. All right. USD DKK, sell short signal here. This one is moving down nicely. Target is here. All right. We don't have a second target. All right. So we've got the floor right here. All right. Keep an eye if it gets down this area here. USD DKK, USD CZK. All right. That's early. Sell short signal is here. All right, moving down nicely. We should be in those trades, guys. You guys, our monster scalper traders. All right, we should be in this trade. This is a good setup here. USD CZK. Okay. USD CNH. right? USD CNH, got a lot going on here. Let's move this. All right, so break up a trend line right here, pull back a bit, holding, keep an eye on this one, right? If buyers come back in, I would say you get a white candle and it, right, and it gets close to that trend line, recovers that trend line, might want to close the trade here, right? We want this to come on down, right? USD CNH, dollar Swiss, all right, dollar Swiss, right? Sell short signal is here, holding right here, target here, first target, second target. Let's move this for now. Okay. All right, so we just need that to come on down. Dollar CAD, dollar CAD, sell short signal is here. All right. Let's remove this target for now. So, all right, broke the trend line. All right, bit of a pullback up here. All right, so so far so good. We need sellers to come back down. Okay, I want to take a quick look at the dollar index before I forget. All right, so the dollar index. All right, so still holding. We still have a sell signal on the dollar index. Okay, we can move this. The dollar currently is at 102. Okay. We don't have a sell short signal yet. Okay. We don't have a sell short signal yet, but we do have red candles. It's currently down. All right. Equities are down right now, but the target on the dollar is to get down here. But again, we don't have a sell short signal yet. Okay. So, let's see here. Hold on. So we don't have real conviction yet in the dollar. All right, but we need it to come on down to help those dollar pairs. All right, so this candle here, all right, so came all the way down here to 102.30, but it's pulling back right now. Okay. All right, so that's the dollar. That's the dollar index. So let's go back here. All right, we'll spend some time on Forex Dominator also. Okay. Longs. All right, so longs, Aussie dollar long, that's still holding. Okay, no support. Just remember, guys, when we, this has a really good markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase. Look at that. I mean, so when we've got trades like this, we have no support and resistance yet. So we've got to just let them develop. Okay, so no concern there yet. All right, no support and resistance levels. All right, so good price action. Aussie dollar, Aussie New Zealand. All right, holding fine. Now, Aussie New Zealand, buy signal is here. We're approaching resistance here. We do have, look at that, right, complete mess up here. So we got to get to this area and then get past all of this up here. All right. So just keep this in mind, right, as it moves higher, right? Good price action, but boy, once it gets to this resistance area, then you have to deal with all of this. Okay. So keep an eye on that. Aussie, all right, Aussie Swiss, that's breaking out. Only concern is up here, but it's getting past. It's right, a bit of a pullback. All right, but getting past here. Buy signal was right here. And then Aussie CAD buy signal here on a break of this resistance, and looks good to get to the target here. But look at how the Aussie Aussie pairs are trading. Now, if they can get past If the Aussie pairs can get past all of this area up here, right, then we might see some daylight here. All right. But even getting to this area would be good. Would be good for the Aussie pairs. All right. So good trading. All right. Good trading there. And we haven't seen decent trading from the Aussie pairs in a while. New Zealand dollar, that's holding right here. All right. Decent markdown phase, good support down here, getting through that area here. Your best bet, though, guys, best bet, the yen pair short. You guys can see best trade right now, yen pair short. All right. So that's New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Swiss. All right. New Zealand Swiss. Now, this is high in the markup phase, so be careful there. All right. Not that they can't make new highs, but it's better to get them coming out when we're going long of the markdown phase at the bottom there. Okay. And New Zealand CAD. All right. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, right? Decent markdown phase. This is, again, this area here. It's gotten past support here. Previous support becomes resistance. All right, so it's got a decent markdown phase, a nice pullback. All right. But again, the yen pairs, that's where we got great moves. So buy signal here, right? Get into resistance here, right? If you can, again, get past this area here, right? This can work out, turn out to be a good trade. So the Kiwi pairs, Aussie, Kiwi, all right, New Zealand, all right, long, short yen, short the dollar. Now the euro pair is a bit tricky. So let's see what's going on here with the euro pairs. So euro dollar, that's the inverse of the dollar pair, right? We were in this one. Buy signal here. All right. Looks nice to get past resistance here. All right. TRY keeps moving higher. SGD, nothing here. All right. Nothing here. All right. So euro pairs are still mixed, guys. Pound pairs, pound dollar. We had missed pound dollar because of all of this here, right? Buy signal was here. We said we would call it when it got through there, but that's far away from that buy signal. But it looks good. Nice breakout, right? So it got past all of this, so they can get past all of this consolidation, all right? So look at that. And I think 5 signals that fail. So that was the concern with this one. This one made it through, right? This one made it through. All right, pound dollar, SGD. All right. So pound HKD. All right, this one broke out also. Okay, too late to get in these guys. Too late. Pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss. That's a reaccumulation right here. Reaccumulation trade right there. And I think that's it. All right, but mixed, still mixed. These are mixed. Okay. All right. So here, short, long. All right. And we've got good volatility. I'm going to come back to. Forex dominator. I want to take a look at the US 30 here. And then the NAS. All right, so the US 30 long, all right, US 30 long on the 60-minute. I thought this gapped up. I thought this gapped up. All right. Guess not. All right. US 30, guys. Close that trade. Okay, we've got red candles here. All right. So if anyone is in it, close the trade. Buy signal here. We were hoping for a breakout. All right. We were hoping this buy signal right here would get past on Friday, would get past, and you guys know what's going, just very choppy. All right, so this was the setup here. We didn't call this one, this buy signal, we called this one, and market was up on Friday, but then pulled back. All right, so this was the buy signal here, right? Try to make a couple of times, try to move higher. And so now we've got red candles here, so just close the trade, okay? All right. We really need to get past past this area here to see it. Now, this is a concern for the Dow. All right, this is a concern for the Dow. On the daily time frame, not bad, right? We had some white candles, then we got a bounce, right? We got a bounce on Thursday and Friday. Green candles came in, so right, thought that would continue, but closed. Let's take a look at the NAS. All right, we might have to stay away from the US 30 for a while. We'll see. Things change quickly, though. You guys know that. So the NAS 100. All right, on this, that's on the 60 minutes. So we see what's going on there. Be careful of shorts. Okay, be careful of shorts because buyers could come in. All right, I know we got red candles here, but we still solid in the markup phase. We have a purpose support and resistance there, but this could be support here. Buyers could come in. Okay, so there's something going on with these indexes. S&P, same thing. Okay, same thing here, and very choppy trading, even with the S&P. Very, very choppy. Look at that. All right, so we might wait. Let's see. Hold on. We might do something like this. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. All right, so we might do something like this. All right, let's see what it does, right? If we can break out of this. So those of you who trade on the smaller time frame, you might find some opportunities, but we'll wait. All right, we've got to get out of this area here. Okay, on the US 30. On the NAS, let's see here. Same thing on the NAS. Okay, we've got to get. It's just what it is, guys. We don't control the price action, right? We just wait. But if we keep trading these like this, gonna take a lot of your capital. Okay, so just leave it, just go on. Hey, Forex guys, we've been waiting for 4 moves in Forex, and look, right, lots of opportunities in Forex. So stay in that market. That's why we trade different markets and different systems. Okay, so let's go back. So nothing. Again, we'll wait to get out of this area here. All right, on all the e-minis. We'll go over equities tomorrow. Forex dominator. All right. I don't think we have any shorts. Let's see if we've got new shorts in the yen pairs. All right. HKD JPY, that has a new down. We need a signal here. We don't have a signal. We should have a signal here. That's coming in late. All right. This is a good short setup here. Forex dominator. All right. But we don't have any support. That's probably why. So here was the previous sell short signal. We should get a sell short signal right in here. So that's going to come in late. That might be too late. We'll see, right, if it comes in. HKD JPY, we'll send it out to our Forex dominator traders. If it comes in all the way down here, right, which is rare, it will happen sometimes, right? That might be too late. But even if it comes in here, right, I think it's probably looking for support to break, right, in order to get a signal probably down right, probably right in here. Okay, right, probably right in here. Okay, so we'll leave this here for now. HKD JPY, let's see what the dollar is doing. Wow, these signals are not coming in. And it's not the system, it's just this. That's just very late. And these are great shorts setting up here. I mean, nicely in the. Why are we getting? These are great shorts. This one here came in all the way down here. But yeah, we should have sell short signals here. Dollar, yen, even CAD yen. Look at that, guys. Very strange. Very strange. We're not getting sell short signals here. CAD yen, holding there. So, all right, Swiss yen. We've got a short in Swiss yen. All right, so good. We'll call it. So Swiss yen, and that's a good short. That's breaking its trend line, and this is what we want, guys. We really don't want to be shorting at the bottom. This up here, all right, coming out of that distribution phase. All right, it's got more room to fall. All right. So here we are breaking that trend line here. Sell short signal is here. All right. So the signals are working. We know that. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. It's not too far gone either. Okay. And support. Um, so do we have monsters? Forex dominator. Tylak is a Forex dominator trader there. All right. So, all right. First target here. All right. Right here. First target, first support. And this is decent support. This is where the previous short signals failed. Right here, here. So good support here. If it can get past, this could be a good trade. If we get past this support here, look at the next level of support, guys. All the way down here. All right. All the way down here. That's for a lot of pips. That's for 20, what's that? Over 2,000 pips. All right. All the way down here. That's a big fall. All right. Our Forex dominator traders, keep an eye on this trade here. Keep an eye on this. Support is here, though. So Swiss yen, there is definitely something going on. So Swiss yen short in Forex dominator. We're almost done. We'll go through these and then we'll be done. All right. TRY, JPY. We'll call this Look at the short trades. All right. Great short trade here. This one missed. Great short trade here. All right. Great short trade here. And here we are here. So we saw what it's the TRY JPY is doing in Monster Scalper. That's the one we missed. So all right, we're gonna call this one here, and it hasn't gone too far. Not for Forex Dominator. Okay, so we'll call that TRY JPY. Nice price action down. All right, price is getting squeezed. Broke support. Good price action. Okay, so TRY JPY short in Forex Dominator. All right. And Zayin. Was it Za? Yeah. Nothing here with the Zayin. Okay. Nothing here. Let's see if we can find anything with the dollar. Dollar shorts. Nothing here. All right. USD CZK. Right. Just need a sell short signal. Got some room to fall there. USD DKK. Right. No short yet. These are taking a while to get. USD MXN. So choppy in here, very choppy. All right, only two decent shorts in here, but it's breaking a big support level. Now, with the dollar, if the dollar break down, dollar index break down, this could break a big support area here. All right, but this is one first trade might be a small trade and wait until it breaks. Okay, just like put your toe in. All right. Good support down here. Sell short signal is here. All right. And what we're looking for is for a big break, right, in the dollar. Right. If buyers come in, you got to get out quickly because you're trading at the support level here. I tell you guys what, we'll just put a question mark for this one for now. Right, that's a risky trade. So USD MXN short, but we'll just put a question mark. And if it develops, right, if it breaks, right, it's on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator, so it'll give us time. Okay, so we won't call it yet. All right, that's tricky trading here. It needs to break out. USD NOK, nothing here. PLN, nothing here. PLN, same thing here. We put a question mark. All right. We've got good support here. No, low in the markdown phase. So this can work out, but we need a real momentum, a real move because buyers could come in. So USD PLN short in Forex Dominator, but question mark. We're gonna wait on a break. Need to break that big support there. Nothing here. Same thing here. Has to break support. This is an ugly chart. All right, all this is ugly, but if it could break through, and they've got to break out at some point. Right? So, but nothing yet. All right, nothing yet. Buyers can easily come back in, guys, and push that price all the way back to resistance. They're better trades. They're better trades. Okay. We'll just keep an eye on these. Same thing here. Just keep an eye on these. So that when they're ready, we'll be ready. All right, we can wait. We've got time to wait here. All right. All right. And this can totally reverse where buyers could come in and all of a sudden go long. Okay. That's USD SGD, nothing here. All right. All right, guys. That's all we've got. So Bitcoin, like I said, still holding. Here it is right here at 69. All right. I think Bitcoin made all-time high at 70, was it? I think I sent that out at 70K. All right. So 60, what's that? All right. Yes, 70, little over 70K. So it's holding. All right. It's holding. All right. It's not selling off. Right. Any pullback right now, we don't see us selling off in Bitcoin, guys. We got to follow our price action. All right, we got two great buy signals on Bitcoin on the daily. Weekly looks good, breaking out on the weekly. Just remember when we have a breakout, a clear breakout without any pullbacks, that's a new move. Okay. I'm not saying that it's going to go to the moon, but there's no, there's nothing saying right now that it's going to pull back. Okay. Um, US 30 or US 30 traders, guys, it is what it is. Just, most of you that trade the US 30, you guys are trading Forex. All right. Monster scalper. So just focus on monster scalper for right now. Don't push these trades. Don't push. All right. Unless you're trading smaller time frames, you can catch the quick moves. All right. And you've been trading US 30 for a while. Otherwise, just wait. Let it get out of that consolidation. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening. Um, I think we've got some decent trends going. We've got direction. Okay. But anything can change. 1 week, can change. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell still holding their buy signal. Even the Russell has a buy signal. All the indexes are holding. All right. All the indexes are holding. All the sectors are holding. All right. The top sector right now is financials. Look at financials. Just an amazing move in financials. Buy signal here. Look at that in financials, right? Look at that buy signal here all the way up here. All right. Industrial. Look at that buy signal here all the way up here. Biotech, buy signal all the way. Follow your V's. Look at your V's, guys. They're working in every market. All right. Markdown phase, buy signal. Look at that. That's biotech. Every single, right? When you have I think even gold is finally getting in on the action. Look at gold. Buy signal here, right? Um, right. Consolidated near resistance for a while and came out a big buy signal on gold there. All right. So everything is moving right now. If it changes, we'll see that change in the price action. All right. So if they're long, stay long. Short, stay short. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Good trading. And let me know your success stories. All right. It's encouraging to other traders when we see like someone like Tylag, right? Tylag has worked so hard, guys, right? Has worked so hard. And anytime you can see, even if, and I know Tylag didn't close out all at 80,000, but 80,000 in your P&L is for any type of trader is a good week. So just seeing the possibilities, that's great. So Tyler, I just want to thank you for sharing, right, with everyone else. Just a great job. So guys, everyone else, if you're having success out there, let me know so that that stuff inspires everyone else. Okay. All right. You're welcome, Ty. Like, welcome, buddy. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Take care. If you need me, just let me know. All right. Send me a text. Take care, guys. Bye bye.